What's going on, Ron? There's people unloading drugs in the helicopter.
Yeah, big bags of drugs.
Excellent. He's probably been out plucking his crops from the field.
It's a high vis, isn't it?
Yeah. Or it's a shirt. It's a camo high vis thing. Something I don't know. Camo and high vis, what a contrast. Why would you wear camo and high vis at the same time, Ron? That makes no sense to me. Did you want to be visible or you want to be hidden?
Might be the pilot.
I think it is the pilot. He's getting in the driver's seat.
So that's not
More room for drugs on the left-hand side, probably. Either way. Welcome back to the channel. It is Monday, is it, Ron?
Yeah.
It's Monday. We're flying in the week today. And there's Ron. He's got something new. What have you got, Ron? What's new today?
It's the converted duck.
A converted duck. What's it converted into?
No, it was a drag car.
That's right. It was a drag car last time, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And now it's whatever this happens to be. It looks like it did before, though, doesn't it?
Yeah, but it's got a different wing.
A different wing. Oh, yeah, the yellow wing. That looks quite small compared to the old wing. Wasn't the old wing bigger than that?
No, the old wing was blue and went up at the ends was a glider wing.
Oh, that's right, yeah. So.
But it had and it was that deep all the way through.
Ah, so this is.
It might be a bit smaller.
This is off your Mustang, this wing.
No, it's off. I don't know what it was off. I think it was off.
It's blue on the bottom, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I can't remember what it was off.
No, well, we know what it's off now. It's off this thing.
It was on that little cub. Yeah. You remember?
Yeah, yeah.
That tiny little cub with a great big wing.
And have you got a CG on this one?
Yeah.
Good, good. Somewhere on the tailplane?
Somewhere.
Yeah. No, that's great, mate. Fantastic. There is already a gentle breeze. Hopefully it won't get any stronger, and it is pretty much down the runway. To what, Ron?
11k.
11k, that's not very fast. You can run faster than that, Ron. Pretty quick for an old guy. And what size motor is that, Ron?
4240.
4240, and what were you running on 6S?
No.
Why not?
3.
3S? It's only half the power, mate.
Yeah.
I think, get some more S's. So Ron has bought his entire squadron of models today.
No, that's not the entire.
Well, there's a lot there, Ron. Hey, I was just thinking that this duck, it is the Barbara Streisand of radio-controlled models, isn't it? Look at that, will you? Look at that. It didn't make a noise, Ron. Oh, now it is. Oh, you moved it.
Yeah, it takes a while sometimes to...
Okay. Just lucky, huh?
Right.
Do things wiggle? Ooh, yep, here we go. Ooh, ooh. Sounds good to me. We're good. Oh no, he's getting all acrobatic on us.
I can't see it there.
It's all right, it can see you. That's all that matters, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that, beautiful, mate.
You go quicker.
They do, eh?
Full power.
I never use full power. I understand it's bad for the batteries. Don't stall it, Ron. Don't stall it, man. Oh, yes. Beautiful, right on the threshold. So, Ron, that was your best flight of the day.
Yeah, so far.
So far, it's your first flight, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. Say no more. So here goes Duck 2. Second take of the Duck concept. The Streisand plane. It's away, or is it? Seems a bit touchy on the elevator, Ron. It's making a lot of noise. How's your expo, Ron? Ooh. Is it stable in pitch?
No.
Oh, excuses. Beautiful, Ron, that's gorgeous, that is, mate. You can even taxi it back.
Every now and again it just drops its nose.
Well, it's got a big nose. It's a lot to drop. I can see light under the wing. I can see daylight under the wing.
That's where the old wing's sat.
Maybe it's I don't know. I don't know about that. You need to put a straight edge on the wing and a straight edge on the tailplane.
Yeah, I did.
Did you? And how much incidence have you got?
A little bit.
Just a little bit, eh? It's got a lifting section, eh? So that would give it a bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe you're just a crap flyer. That's probably it, eh?
Yeah, maybe.
Was it just dive by itself?
Yeah, well no, when I moment dropped the power, it dropped the nose.
It did look quite pitchy when you were first turning
Yeah, well,
down
it's got a very short tail.
Yeah, but only at the back. It's made up for by the long nose though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was a bit worried when I come into land that it was just going to drop its fucking nose.
Ron, to be totally honest, I'm always worried when you come into land. I can't even say it properly. By the way, folks, it's Parkinson's Awareness Month. Feel sorry for me, feel sorry for me. I did resolder his battery lead so he could be about to crash.
Oh. Why did you solder it so he could crash?
Well, because we need good video. Nobody wants to see models flying around safely.
I do.
They want to see things crashing into the ground. And speaking of new models, Bill.
What?
Where did you get this beauty from?
That's actually John's.
It was? Did you buy
John's,
it?
Yeah.
You bought it off John?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a nice model.
It looks like a kind of one of those fish you keep in an aquarium, doesn't it?
Do you think?
Has it got cheetah holes for the EDF underneath?
Oh, yes.
Oh, good. Thought it must do. Sorry, Ron, what was your excuse?
A lot of it's the weather. When this was dropping its nose too.
It's probably just a bit of rough air, is it?
I think it's a bit of rough air.
Yeah. Some people like a bit of rough.
Yeah.
It's probably... You don't, Ron. You don't like the rough. You'd be no good at golf then. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. That scale detail is
incredible.
incredible.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's just like the real thing, except I don't think they had painted foam windows. But apart from that, it's perfect in every way. Is that a radial electric motor on the
Absolutely.
front? Excellent. Well, Captain Boyington.
Yeah, cool, eh?
Yeah.
So I don't know whether it'll fly as well as the others, but
Well, you'll only one way to find out is to throw it in the air and cross your fingers. Ron's doing it right today.
that's flying cool.
It does fly well. Getting that long grass. Yes! Taxi it back! No response from Ron. Ooh, look at it go. Beautiful, Ron, that's fantastic. Well, it's a nose dragger. This is like the opposite of a tail dragger, I think.
Why are you saying maximum trim reach?
Because you've reached maximum trim, probably. Never mind, it's all good.
It'll go.
It's only a Tundra, it's no great loss. Only the sound of it.
That's makes it better.
You got rocks in that motor.
Hey, RSI critical. Why?
Because it said so. What have you done to it, Bill?
Nothing.
Well, give that bloody T-tail thing a range check because I've got a turn-edge receiver on it.
What are you saying RSI critical?
Does it say standing here with RSSI critical? I don't know.
Oh, RS signal critical.
Or land and do a range test. Get in that hangar.
Oh. That.
There's much complexity going on here.
That. Bind range, there you go.
Nothing's happening. What have you done to it, Bill?
Well, it died.
Yeah. Bruce's is working. take it out of range check and see if it goes.
We usually do the range test after the crash, Ron. We're a bit premature at the
Are you in
moment.
range?
No, RS signal critical, where it is now.
Well, there's heaps of range. Just fly close.
Just plug it in the receiver and hold the button and turn the switch on. It's just a separate little battery.
Oh, you cunning bastard.
He's very clever like that, is Ron. He's full of...
That's a good idea, Ron.
He's full of, what are they, life hacks or something, aren't they called? Life hacks?
I never thought of that. That's a
Life hack, Ron.
Oh, signal low.
I should just do a piece of stock footage, B-roll footage for this where everyone stares at their transmitters. No. Try it on another model and see if it's the transmitter or the receiver then.
Does it stop when you got back there?
Yeah.
Stop here.
Yeah. Control line for you today, Bill. Bill's got the Corsair version of the little EA Sheen foamies that we've been flying. Very hard to see on a day like today though because of the dark sky. It's getting darker and darker, to be honest. Oop. Oh, I can't see it. Disappeared. Oh, it's going to hit him. No. Get in that fence! Get in that fence!
Get in there.
Yeah, nearly lost it, Bill.
I nearly did.
It's getting windy now, Bill.
Yeah, it's picking up now about 13k, and then at 2 o'clock it's dropping right off again.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, crashed it. Oh, smashed to smithereens. It takes off by itself, Bill.
Up there.
Yep. Try less air in the tyres next time.
Huh?
Use less air in the tyres. It was a bit rough, Bill. How many landings are you doing today? Oh, get in that grass.
Bit of a kangaroo bump.
Yeah, Australian landing, eh? Jeez. What do you call that, Bill? Am I safe standing here? Was that disorientation, Bill?
No.
What was it, radio?
I can see it.
Oh, that's even better than last time. Get in that grass, yes. Oh!
I thought it fell off in the air.
Yeah, right.
That's right beside his ears, look.
Woo!
Oh, they're neat, eh?
Do you like it, Ron?
Especially when I'm flying it now
On the non-expert mode.
the middle mode.
Yeah, middle mode.
Yeah.
You got
I had tried flying it.
Where's he gone?
I had
Smashed
it,
into the
Hitting
hangar.
inside.
Oh no!
I had it on beginner mode, but it just wouldn't turn.
No.
And because when I first flew it, I was flying it on bloody expert. That's why it was all over the place.
Because you're not an expert, eh, Ron?
No.
No.
Not yet.
You're a drip under pressure, but you still don't qualify as an expert.
It's quite twitchy, eh? That wind's
Yeah, like those gyros working double time out there.
Be a bit of breeze for such a little aeroplane.
You wouldn't have been able to fly a model this small before the invention of the gyro.
No.
You're right, so do a vertical descent from there.
Yeah, you've done a few of those in your time, haven't you, Ron? Crashed, smashed to smithereens.
The only annoying thing is the prop breaks off, but
But they don't when I land. Well, what are you doing, Ron?
Better than breaking the bloody prop.
Oh, yeah.
They're wonderful.
oh, they are. I was going to get me one.
Oops.
Oh no, Bill, that's a terrible landing, mate. Look, there's a propeller there.
What do you turn off first?
Everything. Ron's found a new love in his life.
The bloody stabilizer's working overtime.
They are, the gyros are cranking, mate. How they go, Ron?
It's right into the window. That's what I thought. The last time it just went.
It's bloody fun firing on the light.
What's going on with the bloody thing? I couldn't work it out. And yeah, was in bloody expert mode, and I'm not an expert.
Well, at some things you are, Ron.
The rudder's really good on this one.
I tried using the rudder, but it kept turning.
Funny that.
But why do you need a rudder? You can't taxi it.
Well, it teaches that's why I say it's so good to teach people to use the rudder.
Yeah.
It's yeah.
Yeah, bloody gyro working. Look.
And in the UK, I think they give gyros to people that don't work.
Sorry?
Don't they?
Hey, why weren't you filming that the three of us were up?
Oh, I'm sorry, Ron. I really messed up there. The thing is, we never hit each other flying combat. We've tried so hard.
I don't think we're good enough.
No.
I got about 3 feet from you out here once.
You nearly took my head off.
Yeah, I know, but
In expert mode.
But they're amazing. Look, oh, I just died. I felt it go back.
Went under your arm, Ron.
At
Now
nearly 100.
We're going to get totaled because this is way dangerous. It's only a matter of time before someone chokes on one of these.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody will they'll put it on YouTube.
We're all right. We've all got glasses on, so we get eyes
Safety glasses, yeah.
Somebody's
Just
gonna
keep your
say,
mouth
"You guys
closed,
are
Ron."
And I've got hard cap shoes on.
Somebody's going to say, you guys are irresponsible for flying like that.
Yeah.
Oh, and Bill's got his steel cap sandals on.
No, I think you pushed, I don't know, you got.
I think a group of Chinese acrobats come out wrong.
Yeah.
One way,
Hey?
and you push the stick one way, and then you push that, and then it doesn't. It'll roll.
Isn't technology wonderful?
Yeah.
It's like a precision piece of equipment there, doesn't it?
Yeah. You can put the serial on these other trains.
Yeah, it could
But
do.
you know, this will teach people to use the rudder.
It'll teach them to hide, to duck,
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
to watch out for old men with toy planes. That's what it'll teach them.
I think they're bloody wonderful.
I reckon they are. I was quite impressed. And the only difference in speed, you got half throttle on and it's moving reasonably fast up into the wind.
Yeah.
But then you fucking turn down one and you go back the throttle off, and then you turn to come back and it sits there, it doesn't move.
Yeah.
You could fly this in your living room, Bill.
Well, I don't know.
I've seen that palace you live in.
You might hit too many planes.
Yeah, too many planes in his... Oh! Landing! I heard Bill saying you can't even crash these things, he said, but he never
Well, you can't.
gives up.
Oh, I don't think
You can't break them. Well, I proved that. My nose dived into the ground at bloody near full throttle.
Oh no, look, the propeller's come off. It's smashed to smithereens now. So Ron, marks out of 10 for these little planes.
Oh, 11.
11 out of 10, that's a very high score indeed.
Yeah.
Bill, what would you score them?
Oh, I'd be up at the 10.
Up at the 10. See, Bill's a little more reasonable. He doesn't get carried away like you, Ron.
No.
Sometimes I think I've told you a million times not to exaggerate.
He's going to land on his head there. It's orientated a couple of times out there. I didn't know whether I was...
Beautiful!
Oh, you missed the landing pad.
Don't look now, but you're being recorded.
So Bill, not flying the F-86 today, mate.
No.
What happened to your Radiomaster transmitter?
My radio's not performing as well as it should be.
No, it's not. It's sudden lack of range.
Sudden lack of range.
So Radiomaster will be watching this. They will make sure that that's fixed double quick, I think.
I would hope so. I love that radio.
It's a great radio.
I really like it.
I've had to lend Bill my radio
I'm too scared
in the meantime.
to use it. Yes, I'm using
because his Radiomaster has kaputted on him. Very unfortunate. But stuff happens like that sometimes.
That does.
I'm sure Radiomaster will send us a new 5-in-1.
I do love my Radiomaster. It's just that I don't really trust it at the moment.
No, not with that intermittent RF output.
No.
No, never mind. Okay, so it lives to fly another day.
Oh, it lives to fly another day, so we'll have a go.
You going to give Ron a go?
If he wants it.
Can you learn to fly mode 1 quickly, Ron?
Oh, I'd have to go back a few years.
Yeah, sweet. Well, it's been quite a good day, actually, off and on.
We've had fun, haven't we?
We've had a good bit of fun.
Yeah.
Even though Ron was here, we've still had fun.
Yeah, we've still had fun.